Good day, everyone. Welcome to our final project presentation of Business Operations Technology. We are Group 11 and our team name is Three Musketeers. These are our team members, Arjun, Mainu, and me, Arun. So these are the topics we are going to cover today in the presentation, starting with organization, operational challenges, analysis of technology-based solutions, recommended solutions, implementation plan. In this presentation, we are going to cover the main operational challenges faced by a Dufferin roadway construction along with potential technology solutions. Dufferin roadway construction founded in 1912 by James F. Francis in Toronto, Ontario. And in 1970, they have done their first highway project. Dufferin roadway construction is a firm with a strong reputation for technology and safety. And they are a division of CRH Canada Group, and they are one of the largest construction firms in Canada. Also, they were the first contractor in Ontario to use rapid lift technology effectively, which makes the construction faster and more effective. Dufferin Construction developed several of Ontario's biggest and busiest highways and interchanges, including the Highway 401, 404, 407, and even 410 as well. And moving to the next slide, Arjun will continue.
Thank you, Arun. From our research, one of the predominant operations challenge faced by Dufferin road construction is the safety issues. According to NIOSH, means the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, roughly 20,000 construction workers are injured each year in a highway and road construction accidents. So safety issues faced by Dufferin construction, their construction site involves safety during excavation, scaffolding, frameworks, and working at height, stacking, housekeeping, etc. In addition, working with the hand tools and the powerful machinery also contributes to these unforeseen mishap to their personnel and led to their injuries. By lowering the risk of danger, safety precautions are crucial for the continuous operation at the roadsides. So further from our researchers, we found 3 solutions to minimize the safety issues and to make the business run properly. The first one will discuss by the Arun.
So moving to the next slide. Thank you, Arjun. As you said, these are the 3 solutions we analyzed: sensors and wearables, AR and VR, and the last one is robotics. So the first one, sensors and wearables. 2 SCAR sensors keep an eye out of recognize and respond to certain physical simulation, and this can be applied in equipment with sensors is a good choice. For instance, proximity sensors may promote turn off energy sources when they detect nearby workers. This will reduce the risk of contact hazards. According to the NSC, proximity sensors can be particularly helpful in minimizing risk related to building and installation operations. On the other side, employees may wear wearable devices which have sensors. Wearables can monitor both systematic issues and like fatigue as well as immediate threats like high temperature or the presence of harmful gases. Yeah, that's it. So these are the advantages of sensors and wearables. The next one will be continued by Arjun.
Thank you, Arun. With the help of the development in the nanotechnology, data analytics, video, and telecommunications, companies are now able to increase workplace safety in a number of different ways. So the other way we are suggesting in this case is the virtual reality and the augmented reality. Today, many tech vendors are already offering the VR or AR in their safety as a safety precautions to for their workers to give them a virtual way to do the work. Then by that way they can implement the safety properly, and they will be familiar with the work, and they can do safely, and they can reduce the injuries. Looking into the future, virtual reality and the augmented reality technologies may be increasingly used to simulate tasks to measure and reduce risk before a work starts the actual job. Mainu will explain about the next solution.
Okay, the third solution we have find out is robotics. So the highly potential scope of robotics can be used in the area of constructions for reducing the hazardous risk, which is mainly handled by the human workers. So there are so many ways to use robots on construction site in order to make the workers' life safe. There are different purpose of robots are available, like heavy lifting robots, demolition robots, robots for repetition work, and remote operation robots, etc. So the purpose is different for for each robots. They can be used in the construction site. So the core advantages of this robots and robotic system is they are driven by 3D vision system, so that they can accurately see everything and they can find out the defects and other things like randomly piled materials, any defects on the spot, etc. Then which is cost effective. Though the implementation cost is high, the further maintenance cost is comparatively less when compared to the expense to the human workers. Then powerful algorithm. Powerful artificial intelligence algorithm was used in this used for this robots, so that the precise of work and the efficiency is high. Thereby, there will be high productivity of their corresponding task. Then the intelligent path planning. Path planning in the sense there is a built-in path planning algorithm, so that movement of the robots would be precise and collision free. So it helps to reduce the time for many tasks. And the integration with the WMS system, that is the robots can integrate with the warehouse management system, so that automatically they can analyze the situation and they can start or initiate the actions required for the task. So these are the robotics advantages. So out of this solution, we have found sensors and wearables are the most feasible solution to implement, because it is easy to implement and the expense related to this is very less when compared to other solutions. So the implementation plan, moving to the next slide. The implementation plan is like this: project initiation, where we'll like to conduct the meeting, and the second one is project plan. In this project plans, we'll analyze what is the requirement and what is the critical area where we need a special attention or more hazardous sensitive area. Then fundraising and for the project. Then purchasing sensors and wearables, so which is based on the necessity, and installation and testing. So this will be a testing phase and find out is there any void to mitigate, and after the testing and installation we will review is there anything to change or add. So this will be the implementation plan, and we will go for this solution. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun.
Thank you.